Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Groupon. To change your password on your Groupon account, you can go ahead and visit the Groupon.com website or simply open up the Groupon app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in, go to My Stuff at the bottom right corner and go ahead and scroll down under My Settings and tap on Change Password. On the next page, enter your current password in the first text box, and then on the next two boxes, write down the new password you would want to change to. Re-enter the password one more time in the last text box, and click on Save at the top right corner of the screen to save your new password. Right after you do that, you will see a confirmation message saying your password has been changed successfully, and that's how you have successfully changed your Groupon account's password. Stay secure and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.